So here is another question on solving quadratic equations through quadratic formula method. So here the equation is given: to solve root 3x square minus 2 root 2x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. So first we'll write the quadratic equation: root 3x square minus 2 root 2x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. This is the given quadratic equation. So if we compare it with the standard format of quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we'll have a is equal to root 3, b is equal to minus 2 root 2, and c is equal to minus 2 root 3. Okay, so here using the quadratic formula method, we have the two roots, they are equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a, that is equal to minus b, so minus of minus 2 root 2, okay, plus minus b square, which is equal to minus 2 root 2 whole square minus 4 AC. A is equal to root 3, C is equal to minus 2 root 3 by 2A, that is equal to 2 root 3. This is equal to 2 root 2 plus minus, this is 2 root 2 whole square is equal to 2 minus square is plus, 2 square is 4, root 2 square is 2, so it is 8. Then here it is 4 into 2 is 8, root 3 into root 3 is 3, minus minus is plus. So it is 8 into 3, that is 24, 8 plus 24 by 2 root 3, which is equal to 2 root 2 plus minus root over of 32 by 2 root 3. So root over of 32 is, we can write it as 16 into 2, 16 into 2 is 32, root over of 16 is 4, so we have 4 root 2. So we can write root over of 32 as 4 root 2. So this is equal to 2 root 2 plus minus 4 root 2 by 2 root 3. Okay, so here there will be two values, two roots. One is 2 root 2 minus 4 root 2 by 2 root 3 and 2 root 2 plus 4 root 2 by 2 root 3. So in this case it is equal to minus 2 root 2 by 2 root 3, 2 gets cancelled, so we have minus root 2 by root 3, and here it is, it will be equal to 6 root 2 by 2 root 3. So we have 6 3 and this is equal to root 3, so it is equal to root 2 root 3, which is equal to root over of 6, this. So these are the two roots of the quadratic equation. One is, let's call it alpha, which is equal to minus root 2 by root 3, and the other one is equal to root 6. Okay, so root 6 and minus root 2 by root 3, or minus whole root over of 2 by 3. These are the two roots of the quadratic equation. Okay. So here is another question on solving quadratic equations through quadratic formula method. Here the quadratic equation is given: x square minus root 3 plus 1x plus root 3 is equal to 0. So first we'll write the quadratic equation. It is given x square minus root 3 plus 1x plus root 3 is equal to 0. This is the given quadratic equation. Again, we have to compare it with the standard format, which is, let's say, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here, by comparing, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus root 3 plus 1, and c is equal to root 3. So as per the quadratic formula, the two roots or solutions of the quadratic equation, they are given by the formula minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here, when we substitute the values, we get that is equal to minus of minus, this is, let's say, square bracket, minus root 3 plus 1, okay, plus minus root over of minus root 3 plus 1 whole square, which is equal to b square minus 4, a is equal to 1 and c is equal to root 3 by 2a, which is equal to 2 into 1. Okay, minus b, that is, this is minus root 3 plus 1, so b square minus 4ac. Okay, b is equal to minus root 3 plus 1. So here this becomes root 3 plus 1 minus minus, it becomes plus root 3 plus 1. So it is root 3 plus 1 simply, minus minus is plus, plus minus, this is equal to minus whole root 3 plus 1 whole square. Okay, this is the whole bracket. So minus 1 whole square is 1. So this is root 3 plus 1 whole square. Okay, root 3 plus 1 whole square is equal to root 3 square plus 1 square plus 2 into root 3 into 1, a plus b whole square simply, and then minus 4 root 3 by 2. Then it is equal to root 3 plus 1 plus minus, this is equal to root 3, we will keep it as it is, root 3 square plus 1 square plus 2 root 3 minus 4 root 3. Okay, 2 root 3 minus 4 root 3, it will be minus 2 root 3. So I am replacing it here. 2 root 3 minus 4 root 3 is equal to minus 2 root 3. It is equal to minus 2 root 3. Okay, so this becomes the expression of root 3 minus 1 whole square. Okay, root 3 square plus 1 square minus 2 root 3. So we can replace this as is equal to root 3 plus 1 plus minus root over of, this is root 3 minus 1 whole square, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is 2 root 3 into 1. So this is root 3 minus 1 whole square by 2. So this is equal to root 3 plus 1 plus minus root over of this square, it becomes simply root 3 minus 1 by 2. So there are two solutions here. One is root 3 plus 1 plus root 3 minus 1 by 2. Let's call it alpha, which is equal to plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. So it is 2 root 3 by 2, which is equal to root 3. This is equal to alpha, the first solution. And the second solution is beta, which is equal to root 3 plus 1 minus root 3 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to, here root 3 and minus root 3 will get cancelled, 1 plus 1. So this becomes 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 by 2. Okay, when bracket is open, this becomes minus root 3 plus 1. Plus root 3 minus root 3 gets cancelled. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So it is 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. So this is equal to beta. So the two solutions, they are root 3 and 1. These are the two solutions, root 3 and 1. Okay, so this is it.